You can't park that there. It's a disabled spot. You son of a bitch! Previously on John and Faye. Hello? Which one of you ordered the chicken surprise? That would be me. Dennis, your mother and I have been seeing each other for about 4 years. 4 years. Has it really been that long? Yeah. So anyway, mate, well, we've decided to get married. Now, I'm not expecting you to call me dad or anything like that. I just hope the two of us can be friends. Oh, by the way, Dennis, I'm also a wizard, and I spend the nights stopping crime under the name El Magnifico. So I'm just wondering if you want to come along with me tonight and take down a mafia crime boss who terrorizes the streets with an army of lizard people. Sure thing, Dad.